that's always there. Notes unfold like a rising flame. Every chord remembers your name. It burns so soft where the shadows fall, a hidden fire that outshines all. The sun beneath the song, shining where the night is long. A golden light that hides in sound, a quiet blaze the world has found. The sun beneath the song, where broken hearts belong. Each refrain holds a spark inside, a gentle truth the dark can't hide. Even silence can hum along, carrying the sun beneath the song. Through every tear, through every scar, the melody shows where we are. The sun beneath the song, shining where the night is long. A golden light that hides in sound, a quiet blaze the world has found. The sun beneath the song, where broken hearts belong. If the sky should turn to stone, the music still will guide us home. Not in words, but in its glow. The secret sun, the soul will know. The sun beneath the song, shining where we still are strong. Through the dark, it carries on. The sun beneath the song. Ooh, ooh. A quiet fire that forever stays. The sun beneath the song.
In the quiet of the night, shadows call my name. Whispers of a love that faded, nothing is the same. Memories, they linger like ghosts within my mind. In the echoes of the past, your heart I try to find. Tears fall like rain in this empty room. Every note of sorrow, a haunting tune. Loneliness, my only friend, in the silence of my heart. Since you've gone away, everything's torn apart.
The stars up in the sky, they used to shine so bright. Now they're just a reminder of the darkest night. I wander through the moments, lost without your touch, longing for